Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get an exclusive 20% discount on Wondershare Filmora. If you're looking for an easy yet powerful video editing software, Filmora is one of the best options out there. It comes packed with amazing features like a drag and drop editor, creative effects, transitions, AI tools, and a huge library of assets that can make your video look professional in minutes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced creator, Filmora makes video editing simple and fun. Now enough about the product. Let's talk about how you can get the discount. To claim your 20% off, all you need to do is check the link below in the description. Once you click that link, it will take you directly to the official Wondershare Filmora website. Wait a few seconds for the page to load, and there will be a pop-up that will show up. You should instantly see the discounted pricing. Simply click on the button and the pricing will be applied. Now this is important. Make sure you use the link below in the description because this is a special offer that is exclusively available through that link. If you visit the website normally, you may not be able to see the deal. After visiting the website using the link, make sure that you create an account. Choose your preferred Filmora plan and complete your purchase while the discount is still active. That's it, a quick and easy way to save money on one of the best video editing software available today. If you found this video to be helpful, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on your bell notifications. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.